Today, we are making a dish that sounds like it was invented by a chef who really loves surprises. Salted duck egg fried rice with smoked sausage. Because why have one culture in your mouth when you can have two? So what are we working with? Salted duck eggs, the superstar? Day-old rice? Because fresh rice is for people who don't know how to cook. Smoked sausage, the smoky sidekick, and garlic. Because garlic is basically the universal language of flavor. And this guy right here is a meat log that's been training for this moment. All right, let's get to it. First, we fry the smoked sausage until it's golden and crispy. Because if the sausage isn't doing push-ups in the pan, it's not earning its spot. Look at that. That's not cooking. That's transformation. Now for the real show. Salted duck eggs. These things are basically the love child of the ocean and a refrigerator. Separate the yolks and the whites. The yolks are the rich, creamy part. And the whites are, well, salty and proud. Add the yolks to the pan and stir until they get creamy. It should look like cheesy lava, but more luxurious. When you crack one of these, it sounds like the universe saying, you are about to experience flavor. This is the part where you know you're making something dangerous. Like a flavor grenade. Now we add the rice. Day-old rice is dry and separated, which means it fries perfectly. Fresh rice? Fresh rice is clingy. Fresh rice is emotional. We don't eat that. Get every grain coated in that yolk. We want rice that tastes like it got a spot egg. Now toss in the cooked smoked sausage and the egg whites. The egg whites are salty, bold, and they don't care about your feelings. Also, they're going to give the rice a nice salty crunch. The salty egg yolk is creamy, the sausage is smoky, the rice is perfectly fried. Oh my! That is wrong in the best way. And now, the final touch. Now add a little garlic, just a tiny amount, like a whisper of deliciousness. A pinch of pepper and parsley. Because we're classy. Let's put a little soy sauce. We're not basic. And there you go, salted duck eggs fried rice. Bet you can't say that 10 times. If you want to impress your friends, or confuse your enemies, or just eat something absolutely ridiculous and delicious, make this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because you never know what crazy flavor combo I'm going to throw at you next.